Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to combine your Twitch, YouTube and Kick live chats into one window using ProChat. So you never have to switch between multiple chat windows again. If you are multi-streaming and keeping up with messages feels overwhelming, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest way to manage all your live chats in one place. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Search for ProChat GG. Open the official ProChat website. You will find the official link in the video description. Once you are on the website, click sign up if you don't already have an account. If you already have one, simply click login. Create your free account by following the on-screen instructions. Create a username for your ProChat. After signing in, you will arrive at the ProChat dashboard. Now, it's time to add your live stream accounts. Before continuing, make sure your live stream are already created on Twitch, YouTube or Kick. If you don't know how to multi-stream on Twitch, YouTube, Kick and other platforms at the same time using OBS Studio for free, check out my video about it. Now click Connect My Account. Next to the Twitch logo, click Connect. Select your Twitch account. Now click Authorize. Then click Add Channel. Now repeat the same process for Kick. Click Connect. Select your Kick account. Then click Allow Access. Finally, click Add Channel. If you are streaming on YouTube, click Connect next to the YouTube logo. Select your YouTube Gmail account. Then select your channel. Select all permissions. Then click Continue. Click Add Channel. Once all of your streaming platforms have been connected, ProChat will automatically combine messages from every supported platform into a single chat window. You will now see Twitch, YouTube and Kick messages appearing together in one place. This makes it much easier to reply to everyone without missing messages. Send a few messages from your different platforms to see how it looks. As you can see, I can read and reply to messages from every platform here. If you want to display the combined chat inside OBS Studio, ProChat also provides a browser search URL for that. Go to the Overlay Chat tab. Copy the chat overlay URL from your ProChat dashboard. Now open OBS Studio. Under the Sources panel, click the plus icon button. Choose Browser. Create a new browser source and name it whatever you want. Click OK. Delete the default URL. Paste the ProChat browser source URL. Then click OK. The combined live chat will now appear inside OBS Studio. Resize and position it anywhere on your stream. Before going live, send a few test messages from each platform. Confirm that messages from Twitch, YouTube and Kick all appear correctly inside ProChat and OBS Studio. If one platform isn't showing messages, double check that your live stream is public, not unlisted or private. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to combine Twitch, YouTube and Kick live chats into one window using ProChat, making it much easier to manage all your community while multi-streaming. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.